Okay, so I wanted to make this video for you. So here's a 3x3. You can pause it and copy it down. Maybe you want to try it before you watch the rest of the video. But we call this equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. This one's pretty good because if we're going to eliminate the t's, I would suggest eliminating the t's because we only have to multiply one thing. If we try to eliminate the r's, we got to multiply it times 4 and another one by 3, right? And if we try to do the s's, we could probably do those also with just multiplying the middle one time by 4 and one time by -3. But I'm going to do the t's. So the cool thing is number 1 and number 3 have the opposite signs, right? So I could just add those two. So I'm going to add 1 plus 3. So I have 4r minus 4s plus 4t is equal to -4. And I'm going to add the third equation, which is -3r minus 3s minus 4t is equal to -16. If I add those two, I get I get r minus 7s is equal to -20. Okay, so now we have r's and s's. Now, if we look at it again, if we take the second equation and multiply it by 2, and then add it to the first one, we will get -4 for the second one, and we'll get +4, and then we could add those and eliminate the t's also. So we're going to do 2 times the second one. I'm going to put the 2 up here, right? And 2 times 4 is 8r. 2 times s is plus 2s. 2 times -2 is minus 4t. And 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and we're going to copy the first one over again. So I have 4r minus 4s plus 4t is equal to -4. And then this becomes 12r when you add them together. 12r minus 2s is, and then 4's cancel out, the 4t's and the 4t's are canceled out in the first one too. I didn't cross them out though, is equal to 6. Okay, now, I multiplied this equation, this new equation down here, by -12. And this way I can eliminate the r's. I know numbers get a little big, but that's why we have calculators. This is -12r. -12 times -7 is positive 84s is equal to 240. Okay, we're going to add these two equations together. The r's will cancel, and we're going to get 82 s is equal to 246. And 246 divided by 82 is s is equal to 3. Okay, now we can use either this equation. Let me make a different color. We could either use this equation or this equation to plug in x. So I'm going to take r minus 7s is equal to -20. And I'm going to plug in 3 for s now. So I have r minus 7 times 3 is equal to -20. Okay, so R is equal to, oops, not R is equal to, R minus 21 is equal to negative 20. When I add 21 to both sides, I get R is equal to 1. All right, so R is equal to 1. And now we have to take either 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, or 3 from the original and plug it in, because we have two answers and we have to find the third one, right? So we have R and S and we have to find T. So it really doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to use the first one, 4R minus 4S plus 4T is equal to negative 4. Okay, so we're going to plug in 1 for R, 4 times 1, minus 4 times 3 for S, plus 4T is equal to negative 4. All right, this becomes 4 minus 12 plus 4T. This becomes negative 8 plus 4T is equal to negative 4. I'm going to add 8 to both sides. You get 4T is equal to 4. Divide by 4. You get T is equal to 1. All right, so my three answers are R is equal to 1, S is equal to 3, and T is also equal to 1. So I hope that helps you for tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.